Namaskar. Thank you all for following Ayurveda in this virus-filled world. Your immunity is your God-given hospital. The best way to boost it is by following Ayurveda and naturopathy. If you watch my videos attentively, you will be able to know your body type and what according to your body is the perfect routine for a healthy, disease-free life. This is me, VASUDEVAN, your friend, instructor and guide for this highly informative video series Ayurveda, the science of life. In this video, we will be learning about subtypes of Kapha Dosha. Kapha forms the water part of the body. The Kapha Dosha provides nutrition, nourishment, strength and immunity. It provides lubrication to the cells and joints and helps in the sustenance of life and its activities. The Kapha Dosha is further divided into 5 subtypes represented in the 5 places in the body. First is the Aaluma Kapha, which is located in the chest, that is in the lungs and the thoracic cavity. The Kledaka Kapha, which is located in the upper part of the stomach. The Tarpaka Kapha, which is located in the brain or head. The Bodak Kapha, which is located in the mouth and the tongue. And Slak Kapha, which is located in all the bony joints. So these are the names of the 5 types of Kapha Dosha. The most important of all the Kapha is the Kapha that is located in the stomach, that is the Kledaka Kapha. The Kledaka Kapha controls and monitors the functions of all other types of Kapha. It is very important to keep the Kledaka Kapha in a balanced state so as to keep the entire body functions in balance. Let us see the functions of Kledaka Kapha. It moistures the food so that it can be easily digested by the body with the help of Pachaka Pitta. It plays a role in the absorption and assimilation of the nutrients. If this Kledaka Kapha is increased, pathologically it will lead to slow Agni for digestive fire, leading to digestive disorders. Kledaka Kapha is correlated to the gastric mucus secretions, that is gastric mucin. When Kledaka Kapha is extensively increased, it disturbs the acid and can cause delayed and inefficient digestion, thereby resulting in the production of AMA or toxins. It can lead to nausea, heaviness and slow digestion. When the Kledaka Kapha is decreased, the stomach produces too much acid, which can lead to hyperacidity, acidic tastes in the mouth and abdominal discomfort. Drinking lots of water and herbs like ginger and pepper are very helpful when the Kledaka Kapha is in a decreased state. That means the person is experiencing hyperacidity. Next is the Avalambaka Kapha. This type of Kapha is having the qualities of nourishment. Its home is in the lungs and the heart, but it is circulated to the whole body and it brings nourishment to all the organs and tissues of the body. When the Avalambaka Kapha is out of balance, problems can arise in lungs and heart. Generally, Kapha pacifying herbs are very beneficial in balancing the Avalambaka Kapha. The third type of Kapha Dosha is the Tarpaka Kapha. This is the mental aspect of Kapha Dosha. It nourishes the sense organs and the brain cells. It also reduces the entire nervous system. It helps in the cultivation of peace and contentment. From a Western perspective, it is often correlated to the cerebrospinal fluid. Tarpaka Kapha, when out of balance, can lead to slow learning, weak memory, anger, greed, and lack of clarity in mind. To balance Tarpaka Kapha, spiritual practices like meditation and herbs like Brahmi, Ashwagandha, and Saraswati are very helpful. The fourth type of Kapha Dosha is the Shleshaka Kapha. Quality is lubrication and it can be correlated to the synovial fluid. It protects the joints. Its lubrication helps in the smooth movement of all the joints in the body. The Sleshaka Kapha can be increased or decreased. Increased Sleshaka Kapha can lead to swollen joints, whereas decreased Sleshaka Kapha can cause joints to become dry and cracked. In case of dryness, warm oil massage with medicated herbs is recommended, whereas in case of swelling, local application of heat and steam bath is very beneficial. The last type of Kapha dosha is the Bodak Kapha. It is present in the mouth and tongue. So it helps in the initial stage of the digestion. It helps in the perception of taste and protects the gum and the tongue. When Bodaka Kapha is out of balance, the process of digestion is disturbed from the initial stages. The saliva regulation is disrupted, which slows down the enzyme production. The quality of one's voice can also be impaired when the Bodaka Kapha is out of balance. Certain herbs which are very beneficial in balancing the Bodaka Kapha includes licorice, which helps in increasing Bodaka Kapha and causes lubrication of the throat. Herbs like black pepper, ginger and long pepper helps in reducing this subdosha when this is very active or hyperactive. So these are the 5 types of Kapha dosha. The subtypes of all the doshas work in synchronization with each other. For example, in the process of digestion, Pachaka Pitta works in synchronization with Samana Vata and Kledaka Kapha to enable proper digestion. Similarly, Sadhaka Pitta works with Tarpaka Kapha and Pranavayu to enable a proper thought process, to promote intelligence and memory process. So, all the 3 types of Vata, Pitta and Kapha works together to ensure that the bodily functions run smoothly. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for following my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to get educated towards better and disease-free living, because health is wealth. Jai Hind.